Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing study at your home. Dear student, as you know that school is closed due to cold. We do care for you and your study. Therefore, to keep you updated for coming examination, I am here with a revisional video of social study. So my dear students, previous video explained chapter 10 parts and plants and animals. Today we are explaining new chapter 11 seasons. Okay student, do you know seasons? How many types of season? 4 types of season: summer season, winter season, rainy season and spring season. Okay students. Rainy season. Okay. Today we are explain in year some months are hot and some months are cold. Some months are wet and rainy. A year has divided into 4 periods called season based on the weather condition, that is show how cold or rainy a month is. The 4 main seasons are spring, summer, autumn and winter. In India, we have at another season called the monsoon. Summer, it is very hot summer. Summer season. It is very hot in summer. The days are long and night are short. During the season, the sun is hot and bright. In most part of India, April, May and June are the summer months. We wear cotton clothes in summer because they keep us cool. We should drink plenty of water and cool drink things like lassi, fresh lemon juice, fruit juice and coconut water. Okay students. Each season has its special fruits, flower and vegetables. During the summer months, we find mango, melon and jackfruit in the market. White sweet melon, flower like jasmine and tuberose blooms. Okay. In summer season, like some fruits and flowers, mango, jackfruit, tuberose and jasmine. Okay. Monsoon. After summer come the monsoon season. In this season, it rains heavily on most day. The monsoon season lasted from the middle of June to the end of August. When we go out in the rain, we use raincoats and umbrella. The rainwater forms puddles on the cold road. Children have fun slapping in the puddles and floating paper boats in them. Dark rain clouds spreading across the sky. Okay, dark rain clouds spreading across the sky. People use umbrella during rain. People use umbrella during rain. Snake gourd, cucumber and string beans are some vegetables that grow in this season. The jamun tree is full of juicy purple fruits. In the monsoon season, peacock dance with their peacock dance with their beautiful feathers spread. Okay, monsoon season, peacock dance with their beautiful feathers spread. The plants and trees grow and turn green after the rains. Jamun growing on the tree. Autumn. Between the monsoon and winter, many parts of North India have a short spell of autumn. It is pleasant during this season. Usually, tree is a gentle breeze. Blowing in the sky is clear. Tree shade Trees shed their leaves during this season. September and October are the autumn months in India. Many of four important festivals like the Shahra, Eid, Alad and Diwali are celebrated in autumn. This Suli flower is blooms in early autumn. Leaves turn brown and falls from the tree in late autumn, winter. In winter the days are short and cold and the night are long cold. It snows in the mountains. November, December and January are the winter months. We need to wear woolen clothes like sweaters, jackets, cap and socks in winter to keep ourselves. A baby in woolen clothes. People skiing in the snow. Warm we also need to cover ourselves with blankets and quilt while sleeping at night. Many of you wait for Christmas and New Year which occur in December and January. Winter the season for vegetables such as peas, carrot, beetroot, radish and cauliflower, orange, apple and grape are winter fruits. Many flowers like pansy, poppy, dahlia and sweet pea bloom in winter. Pea, kinnu, a types of orange. Do you know kinnu? Types of orange, winter flower. Spring, the season that follow winter, the spring after a cold and dry winter. We can enjoy a mild and pleasant spring. Tree grow new leaves, flowers, blooms and birds make next February and March are the month of spring. The festival of colors, Holi is celebrated in spring. Now come to the explain word meaning. Season, a division of the year, a division of the year marked by particular weather condition. Okay, weather, the condition of the air at the particular time over a particular place. It can be hot or cold or wet or dry. Okay, weather, the condition of the air at the particular time over the particular place. That can be hot or cold are wet or dry? Now come to the next question, filling in the blanks. So first one, filling in the blanks. The sun is hot and bright in dash. Do you know, students? The sun is hot and bright in summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. The sun is hot and bright in summer. Okay? Now second one. In India, the summer months. In India, the summer months are dash, dash and dash. Okay, in India, the summer months are April, A-P-R-I-L, April, May and June, J-U-N-E, June. Okay, students. In India, the summer months are April, May and June. Is that clear, students? Now next and third one. The season of rain is called dash in India. The season of rain is called dash India, monsoon. M-O-N-S-O-O-N, monsoon. The season of rain is called monsoon in India. Okay. Now fourth one. The season in which peas and cauliflower grow is dash. Winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. The season in which peas and cauliflower grow is winter. Okay. Now fifth one. The season in which we celebrate Holi is dash. Holi is spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. The season in which we celebrate Holi is spring. Is that clear, students? Now next one, mark the following sentences as true or false. So first one, in summer we protect ourselves by covering woolen cloths. True or false? False. Now second one, the monsoon is followed by autumn in all parts of India. As you know that the monsoon is followed by autumn in all parts of India. False. Now third, in winter it snows in some parts of India. In winter it snows in some parts of India. Yes, true. Okay. Now next one. Fourth one, the day are long and night are short in winter. Do you know, students? The day are long and night are short in winter. False. Now next fifth one, February and March are the month of spring. February and March are the month of spring. True. Okay, students? All the exercise clearly explanations. If you did not complete this yet, so please complete this exercise in your book and practice it. Okay, students? Thanks for watching this video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye and take care.